Here we have a 2002 Rinker 272 Captiva. It's got a fresh detail, tandem axle trailer, extended swim platform, trim tabs, Bravo 3 outdrive. It has a Mercruiser 6.2 in it. I am unsure on hours as it does not have an hour meter. The name on it is Captiva Diva. Has a refrigerator, sink, transom walkthrough, snapping carpet. We move this cover here so you can see the seats here. Good condition. Just have storage down there to put a cooler. Really neat seating over here. Little table you can put up. Bolster driver's seat. It is yacht certified. Compass, depth finder, tilt steering, VHF radio, stereo, cabin. You can take out that middle cushion in the cabin and have U-shaped seating. There's the camper canvas pieces. Does have a little potty there. Little window. Deck hatch. They do have a screen for the deck hatch. Beautiful boat. We do offer financing here as well. Bimini top. That's the full cover. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.